If you like to cook at home, then you already have your favorite spices in your spice rack. One of the nicer offerings out there is the Peppercorn Grinder. Today we'll take a look at this Morton Peppercorn Grinder. It says it's refillable and adjustable right on the package, but a lot of people say they don't know how to take the top off, or when they try to grind pepper, the top just falls off. Today we'll address both problems. First, let's open it. On the cellophane, it says tear here to remove top label. That cellophane wrapper is perforated, so you'll tear it straight down and then it'll rip right around the top in a circle. Now you'll notice that this square blue Morton logo is hiding part of the cap. This bottom part has to come off as well, and it's also perforated. When you remove this strip of cellophane, now you can see that that black cap is in two parts. This bottom part screws tight against the glass jar, and then the top part can turn freely to allow you to grind pepper. To remove the top, grab the bottom of the black cap and unscrew it. Now you can add more peppercorns or add some to soups or whatever you'd like to do. When you put the cap back on, make sure that that bottom black part is tight against the glass jar. Then you can grind pepper again. Now, let's take a look at the McCormick Peppercorn Grinder. We'll remove the cellophane wrapper by pulling down at this perforated arrow and removing the wrapper. If you'd like to take the top off of this one, McCormick makes it visually easy. There's a glass arrow that they've built right into the top of the glass jar. And then if you turn the black plastic cap, you'll see that they stamped another arrow into the black plastic. You have to line these two arrows up exactly, and then, grasping the jar firmly, you can pry that top cap off. Now you can refill your peppercorns or add it to soups or what have you. To put that top back on, line up the arrows, put the jar down on a solid surface, and then press it down. You're now ready to grind pepper. If you were here just to learn how to take the tops on and off of these peppercorn grinders, then you're all set. But if you'd like to see how they grind pepper, we'll do that now. The Morton grinder has a setting on top that you can turn to minimum or maximum. We'll start out on maximum and show you the size of the pepper that it grinds. Now we'll try minimum. It's a finer pepper. This Morton pepper grinder is a nice piece. Now we'll take a look at the McCormick Peppercorn Grinder. This one has 3 different grinder settings. We'll start with the maximum size. Now we'll try medium. And now for the finest ground pepper setting. This McCormick grinder grinds very fine. This is also a nice piece. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Sharing is encouraged.